got what can only be described as a headlamp on the front. Adjustable height and a low maintenance filter. I sold him that Hoover. It's a pile of shit. I sold him that Hoover. What's left of it? It couldn't suck off a fly from your carpet if it tried. And the low maintenance filter, I lied. So it's useless, is it?
Yep.
Well, can I have me 300 quid back?
No, I've spent it, Nick.
Hold on.
And your Hoover, of course.
Do you still love me? Yes, I suppose so.
Are you still angry?
Well, just a little.
Well, you should thank your lucky stars that I didn't make you pay a delivery charge.